Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to the GloryStar stand. My name is Kim Sørensen. I represent Intersign from Denmark. We are a Danish distributor, and we have been selling GloryStar's product for over 10 years to the Nordic market. We only sell to resellers, and GloryStar has a really wide portfolio of products for the professional markets. And today we will look at the ULTRON. This is a 21-inch, 21.5-inch version of the ULTRON. The special thing, and the reason the ULTRON is so popular, is that it's a touchscreen with built-in PC. So you have a capacitive touchscreen, and as you can see, you have a desktop here from Windows. The ULTRON is one of our most sold products, and mainly because it is so flexible. It has the Windows installed. It fits a lot of different applications, whatever, if it's a self-service, that's very popular, or whatever the need is, the ULTRON is a good fit. It's a high quality product, it's metal, it's capacitive touch, and the CPU power is optional at every level. So you can get all the power you need. It comes in 3 standard sizes. It starts with 10-inch, then 15.5-inch, and this is a 21.5-inch. It has different mounting solutions. It has a VISA mount, so you can mount it on the wall and on a stand, or even if you have a pre-manufactured stand with maybe a printer or something, everything is possible. For more information, please visit the GloryStar stand or online. Thank you.